Hello virtual family and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Amuna Zamani in the virtual, and this is where I share my virtual experiences. I recently released a video on how I use Canva to create a cover for my Notions dashboard, and I wanted to give a short update. I promise this video is going to be really short. A little history for anyone that did not watch that video. I needed an application that could help me keep my virtual life organized, because no matter how much I love something, how much I enjoy doing it, once things become unorganized, the fun dwindles for me, because I spend too much time searching and trying to remember what could be just neatly placed in front of me in one helpful area, and Notion has that covered for me. I will admit that at first when I started using Notions, I was a bit overwhelmed, but I just kept working on creating what worked for me, along with watching other users for tips and tricks, and now I can't seem to live without it. As for Canva, some of you know that I'm proud to be a Canva champion, because I used Canva before partnering with Canva to spread information about this amazing tool. I started out with a free version, which is still available for anyone that's interested. And once my needs for more of their tools came about, I opted for the subscription, which is very affordable. So, down below you'll find the links for Notion and Canva as well. So as you can see here, I switched up the cover, and I may do that a million times because it was so much fun to make, and I like to just change up. So this cover that you see right here, of course I did that with Canva. Now the view you see is called the dark view in Notions, and I prefer that for my workspaces. It's easier on my eyes, even when I'm working on like using things like Microsoft or something like that. I always opt for the darker views, but it has the standard light view for the workplace, so don't think that yours has to look dark like mine. Now before we begin the tour, I think this is the most important tip that I can give you about Notions. So if you follow along with my mouse, you'll see that this is locked. My dashboard is locked. And if you are not doing any type of designing or updating of your dashboard, go ahead and lock it, because that prevents mistakes from happening. I know you can go back and recreate things, but it just takes too much time. So if you go over here to these three dots that are on the right hand side and you click on it, and here's where you can lock and unlock the pages. So I'm just gonna, and some other things down here too. But that's for another video. I'm gonna keep it short, remember, keep it short. So that's the best tip that I can give you, is to keep your dashboard locked unless you're doing some type of designing. So Notions is free, and the free version is outstanding. However, due to my personal needs and my wants, I opted for the subscription, so that's what I have. Now, so just starting with my page here, this is the cover that I made through Canva. This little icon that came through Notions, and then this is the font that I chose with Notions. Starting with this GIF, I saw this in Pinterest and fell in love with it, and just brought it over to my my dashboard. Of course, you guys know that I am a reader, and I always have my cell phone, so this is just so me. And I don't have my own cat anymore. My daughter has a cat, so I enjoy her cat, but this is just so my vibe, so I just went ahead and I put that there. Now my digital clock and then my calendar here, I got these from Widgetbox. So with Widgetbox, the first to 5 widgets are free, and then after that, you can pay for other widgets. So I've only used 2, so I have 3 more left. I'll go ahead and put the link to that site as well down for you guys. Now, going down to the meat of my my dashboard here, all of these little links, these little tabs, these tabs, when you click them, they go on to their own fabulous page. I mean, it opens up a big space like this for me to work on, and it is, I love it. I can't show you because I have information in all of these. Of course, you know, like my journal, and I want to show anybody that. I've done all of them except the reading one, so I'll open that and show you. But just to give you an idea of what I'm doing, like here's like my content calendar, Second Life calendar for things. Second Life's going to be changing a bit for me, but we'll get into that later on. I'll talk about that. Not that I'm leaving, but it's just going to be a little different. Here's my social media calendar, my scripts that I write. Even for talks like this, I try to write a script to keep myself on task because I will ramble. And then on this side of my expenses, sponsorships, my wish list, because I do have a wish for some things that I want to get. So that means I have to be consistent. And thank you so much, Notions, for helping me with that. A to-do list. I'm going to show you guys later on what these look like. Maybe I'll just make a mock one. They're so awesome. And then here's my journal, my mood board, and my movie list, and movies that I want to watch. And then I'm going to open up the reading list. Just click it one time because I haven't done anything with this. So just to run down with this, of course I'm going to create a cover in Canva. But this is a template that came from Notions, and all that I'm going to do is just adjust it to my liking. And that's what I did with the other ones. They're so easy to adjust because like these are tables. And I just wanted to give you guys a view of what it looked like. Again, I said I was going to keep it short, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to build my reading list out of this and have it on my dashboard. So clicking this still back to my dashboard. Here we are again. So just want to show you guys what I've been working with here. If there's anything that any of you see that you would like to have a detailed video on, please let me know in the comments. I would love to do that for someone to show them how they could make organize their virtual life, or even if you decide to use this for school or something you have going on in real life. It doesn't have to be virtual. Whatever you have going on, I would love to show you some things. So I just need to know what you're interested in learning, okay? So as I promised, this was going to be very, very short. Again, I thank you guys always for watching my videos because I know that you don't have to. And if this is some content that you like, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Definitely like it and share this with anybody that you think could benefit as well. Okay guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you.